All independent, my bitches just callin', they get it, they know they just ballin' off Diddy. Chocolate vanilla can't hot, so I hopped out the dealer. I caught a new car and I tint it. Won't lie, little bitch had a nigga down, but now that I'm out of my feelings, I'ma stack the money so tall in the crib, it be looking like the roof came out of my ceiling.
Niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top.
I found the street of the house in which she slept. And my stories put their name on every page. Cause I read to make you fall in love with me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm fading on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you and everything like art. I want to take a see you from afar. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every cent of was a glass and drive it back. Break you a song, do you wanna hear it now? Then bring your friends along to phone the cloud. Cause I need to breathe, I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them, it could be just us two. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm feeling on my knees. It's so much that I need.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I hadn't called in. Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in a parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but I...
You should have. Why didn't you?
Because you know what? I didn't think it was a big deal in the first place, and then I was kind of embarrassed. How do I say it to you about looking like...
Guilty? White dick.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that dead, the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, 1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ, turn keep trying, but you fighting too long. Had you been looking for some, oh Lord. Thought with on me, I keep running back for so long. You know I be that right slow, let me like bro. Baby, I slow, turn your light slow. Oh baby, oh, who you gon' let me know? No, 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 no. You gon' make me feel like the heat, babe. You coming by me like you don't even talk that easy. Bringing heat, babe. See how sleep, yeah. Everyone on this earth sleep, ooh. Everyone on this earth trying to make things make sense. Saying, save me. Let's just make it. Oh, let me take it. Just say it, laying and shaking. Let's just make it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, don't ask what's up. Do that. You come and feel up on me, don't gas. Ain't even sitting silent to me, it's true fast. You know I be that right slow, let me like bro. Baby, I slow, turn your lights slow. Oh baby, oh, who you gon' let me know? And you know, oh, oh, oh. You gon' make me feel like the heat, babe. When you coming by me like you don't even talk that easy. Bringing heat, baby. See how sleep, yeah. Everyone on this earth sleep, ooh. Everyone on this earth sleep. Trying to make things make sense. Saying, save me. Let's just make it. Oh, let me take it. Just say it, laying and shaking. Let's just make it. Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, babe. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.